That's Dorito, the newest member. So we have 3 crates from Dollar Tree. We have 2 blocks that you can find at Dollar Tree. Sometimes I bought these online. They are technically from Dollar Tree though. Paper towel roll. We have cork stoppers in case you want to use those. You don't have to use those. We have round pieces to make wheels if you want to make them out of that. I'm actually using the cork stoppers for you doing the train wheels, the car part, the train car ones. You need skewers just in case you want to make the wheels be able to roll. You're going to want craft sticks just in case. You're going to want decorative paper, which I don't have. I do have the decorative paper, but I don't have it out here where I can show you. You'll see it though while I'm crafting. It's just basically the same kind of paper you need for the shadow box. And it's after Christmas now. I'm excited about what it can be. I have the inside and parts of the outside painted with black. Other parts are decorated with Christmas-y paper. I did that with all the cars. And I still want to Mod Podge the black part. I did Mod Podge the Christmas paper, and because I did get some black marks on it from the paint, and I was able to just wash it off. So I still need to wash off this one just a little bit. I'm a little bit sloppy with the paint, but we're going to make this video part 1, and we're going to start up again and decorate it more and have fun with it when it gets to be Christmas next year. And I'm really excited to do more to it, but I want to start on some different craft projects that I have. And I'm sorry this was started so late, but we have something to look forward to next year.